How to use Photon Solana. Now, Photon Solana is just like the same with any other trading platforms or website, but this specific platform offers you you can go ahead and discover new tokens and filter by your preferences. You can monitor real time with your portfolio, real time security updates, and easily monitor your portfolio. You can quickly buy and sell. You can trade faster with Photon with a speed advantage for every transaction. And then, quick question: is Photon a web scale blockchain? Now, this is actually a trading platform on Solana, promising to be 4.5 times faster than Bird Eye and then 15 times faster than this DEX screener. If it offers quick buy and quick sell option, which is gonna be letting you know or let you buy any token in like a second. So basically, all I have to do is just to go ahead and get started, create an account, and then go ahead and start trading. It's actually the same, or not totally the same, but 80% of the features of any other trading platforms has this specific built-in traders for Photon Solana. So those are the keys and the things that you need to know about Solana, and then all you have to do again is just register, and then all those specific instructions will be provided to you once you're fully logged in.